Hi folks, how's it going? Right, just a very quick intro. At the moment I've been working on ways to photograph birds feeding, but in a very unique style. So welcome to Wild Britain, and let's see how we get on with the birds really close up. I'm trying some different ideas, so let's have some fun with some winter feeding birds. And welcome to my channel. Today we're looking at lots and lots of small birds feeding up on a very cold day. We've got blue tits and great tits, chaffinch, goldfinch. The sun's in and out, but they're all fattening up because it is cold out there now. So welcome to Wild Britain, and just a little video watching our feathered friends pop in and out and filling themselves up with some energy. What these birds are feeding on, you've got peanuts there at the bottom, you've got suet fat inside those coconut shells, and the tall feeders on the left and the right are heart sunflower seeds, and the blue tits particularly enjoy those. Nice and easy to get to, one peck straight in and off. But some of the birds are really get used to it, and they tend to hang around and actually stay here and eat the food on the spot. The other ones are a little bit shy, but it just shows that all these birds have got these different characteristics, and they've all got their own little character. Each bird has got their own little character of their own, just like us. Oh, the goldfinches come back again. They are so pretty. I think it's a goldfinch or a chaffinch. Not quite sure which one it is. I'll have to look it up. Oh, Mr. J's back again. He's got a big fat belly. Look, straight on there. Woof him down. Doesn't care. Yeah, I'm the big bird. Go away, blue tits. You're nothing compared to me. So greedy. Oh, two at a time there. Oh, don't mind me. They are pretty though. He's been so greedy he can't eat all the nuts. Oh my goodness me, he's got about 4 in there. If he's not careful, he'll end up choking. Can't even close his beak. Thanks for watching. Well, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'm going to catch you again soon with lots of new ways and different ideas of capturing some of Britain's wildlife and a few upgrades. All the best. Bye bye.